Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is V, and I know it has been a long time coming. I haven't talked to you guys in what feels like a whole month already. That's because I got really caught up with school, as you guys know, or if you guys don't know. I'm in college now, and I was getting used to that college workflow, especially doing online college. It's a lot more challenging than I thought it would be. Last couple months of my senior year was online and it was a breeze, but college is a different story. So I've been dealing with college and then life stuff, so now I'm back. If you guys haven't noticed, I changed my channel banner, so now it doesn't say I upload on Tuesdays and Saturdays anymore because I don't think that schedule works well for me. I also recently got a job. I haven't started yet, but I will be put on soon, so I'm not really gonna have time just uploading once a week or whenever I can. So bear with me. Thank you guys so much for supporting. We hit like 700 something this morning. I forgot, but wow, that's like absurd. We've been growing really fast and I appreciate you guys so much. Yesterday actually my driver's license came in. I went to get it done about 2 weeks ago and it finally came in, and when I first got it done, you know how they give you that receipt thingy and it has the little picture? Yeah, well, I was like, wow, I actually look really good. I'll insert a picture of what my provisional driver's license, the one I had before, looked like, and that was a hot mess. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to look good on your driver's license or passport. I will just show you guys the makeup that I did and then some tips that I actually did. I don't know. On the day that I went to go get my photo taken, I actually didn't wear face fill foundation or like any foundation. But as you guys can see, I'm breaking out a little bit, so I do have to put on foundation today. So I'm using my True Match L'Oreal foundation. I use this one for like everything, every day, going out look. I only have one foundation. This is the one foundation that I use a little bit, not even a full pump. And I'm just gonna cover up my problem areas and no, I didn't use a primer. This makeup is not like the best to just go out daily life wise. It's more like for pictures, because obviously in the pictures stuff isn't gonna show up as well as it does on camera. When I went to go get my picture taken the first time, I actually had my driving test after school, and it was a Friday, so I looked kind of burnt out and just exhausted. And plus the lady did not warn me that she was gonna take the picture. I was like caught off guard. She just said look at the blue dot, so I was just looking, and then all of a sudden she took the picture. So I looked like I wanted to commit a crime. This time the guy that took my picture warned me beforehand, and I actually got ready, like actually ready, because that day I was going to school. So after school I didn't really care. Now I'm gonna do my brows. So because this makeup is for on camera, you're gonna want to go darker than how you would normally go, like just going out wise. I like my brows a little more natural looking, but because I wanted to actually show up on camera, I had to make them darker. But yeah, I really miss talking to you guys. You guys are like my friends that I talk to every week, and it's been a while since I've talked to you guys. So if you're new here, I know a lot of you guys found my channel through my curtain bangs video, because that's like blowing up right now on TikTok. I've seen everyone's like getting curtain bangs. I got my curtain bangs in March. I wanted curtain bangs because I had bang bangs, like across the forehead bangs, and I did not like how they looked on me. So I was like, I started searching up like alternatives, and they showed me curtain bangs, and I was like, yeah, I'll just get those. Also, I can't really see. Yeah, and now everyone's getting them, so that's how a lot of people are finding my channel, because they're searching up on how to style them. And I've also gotten comments of people saying like my video was the thing that pushed them to get the bangs. I was like, I hope you guys like them, because I know when I first got my bangs, I actually didn't like them. I thought they were ugly, and I was like, I regret this. But now I love them. Yeah, so right now my eyebrows look a little crazy, but I will clean them up. So they look really dark right now. Now I have to clean up my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the same foundation because I'm still a little tan from summer. It's fading, but it's still there. So my concealer doesn't necessarily work. And I'm just gonna clean up my brows. Oh my god, I just got foundation everywhere. This is actually not good for my face right now, considering I'm breaking out and stuff. I'm doing it for you guys. So give this video a thumbs up, please. Now, my eyebrows look really dark in person. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it looks really dark. That's actually gonna show up better on camera. I recently bought this Maybelline brow mascara. It's the Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Mascara. And it actually works really well. Because my eyebrows are already super dark, I'm just gonna apply just a tiny bit just to hold the hairs in place. And then now I'm just gonna finish up my face makeup and then do lashes because I didn't do eyeliner. I also got this new cream blush by the brand Pixi, P-I-X-I, on the glow blush. This is in the color, is this color? Juicy. And I got this at Target. So obviously you have to face front. So I don't know how, I'm not a makeup professional, but usually you put blush like over here, right? Well, if you want it to be seen on the camera, you have to put it like here. This blush is very subtle. So I kind of obviously don't put too much because you don't want to look like a clown. Then you just blend it out. But you want to add some color. I'm going to be using this contour palette. I don't remember where I got it. And I'm not going to add a lot. But once again, instead of like doing it all the way here because the camera's not going to see it, you want to put it more to the front of your face. And I just like to put a little bit around my forehead. It doesn't hurt. Or like on my forehead too. This light really washes everything, like all the color out of my face because it's a white light. This is kind of all I did, and then I just added some eyelashes. I have this powder. It's the Invincible setting powder. You kind of just brush it in your T-zone areas just to get rid of the oiliness. And then I'm just gonna go apply my lashes. My eyelashes are on. I also clipped my hair back with these things. But I turned off one of the lights. So in person you can see this is, I'm using my mirror again for the spotlight, so it's bright. But I turned off the light right above my mirror just so you guys can see me better. But as you guys can see, the eyelashes in person, they're really like dark and they show up a lot better than they do in camera. So I am actually gonna stack my eyelashes. I cut them. So I already have one pair on, but I cut these ones in half. So I'm just gonna stack them at the second half, on the second half. And I don't glue this one down because it's just for the picture, and then after the picture I just take it off. It really adds nothing, like there's no extra weight. I don't really feel it. Just gives that extra cat eye effect because it's a lot thicker on the outside. So now, as you guys can see, it looks a lot darker and it just opens up your eyes more on camera. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more. It adds color, and that's really all you needed to do. All right, and now you can actually see it. So this is the makeup look, and I'll like give you guys some tips of what I did. So I put my hair down. I didn't even style my bangs because there's really no point. And there's this whole thing with like middle parts, that middle parts look better on everyone. But in my case, my face is not really, I don't have a symmetrical face. My face is like the furthest thing from symmetrical. So this side of my face is actually higher. So this side goes higher and this one goes lower. So you guys can notice this one's like more square and this one just curves up. So instead of dividing like a solid middle part, like this is what the middle part would like. It just accentuates the unproportional, what is it? It just accentuates your unsymmetrical. I can't believe I'm in school and a middle part doesn't really help if you have a symmetrical face. So if you really want a middle part and not like a drastic side part, this is what I did. So because this part goes up more, I want more of my hair on this side instead of this side, and it weighs down my face. So I would just go more to my eyebrow here, and then I just split it down the middle from there. So like it's still, hold on, it kind of looks like a middle part still, right? Like it's not a drastic side part, but it helps balance out your face a lot better. Clothes wise, I don't really have any tips because you don't really see it anyway. Like it cuts off like right here. I wore a black top, but you can wear any color you want. And then obviously, usually when you're sitting, or maybe it's because I'm just short, I'm 5'2", but when I sit, like the camera and the dot that you're supposed to look at is like up. So then it's kind of like you have to look up, like
up, and then that's my mistake the first time. That's why I looked like I wanted to kill somebody, because I was looking up instead of just balancing out my whole posture. So the second time around, when they told me to get ready, I actually put my shoulder back, straightened up, and then so that I appear taller and my eyes aren't just looking up like this, because then it just makes your face look longer, and that's not something you want. I put my hair back like this. I just left my hair straight. I didn't curl it or anything, and I just put my shoulders back, lengthen out my neck, and then look at the camera. I don't know if you guys can smile, but I've seen people that smile on their driver's license and they're like, it's fine. But for me, I wasn't allowed to smile. Have a as neutral of a face as you can. So like Smize, you guys know Smize, you guys watch America's Next Top Model or something. Is that the show with Tara Banks? She always says you gotta smize, so smile with your eyes. So you kind of just like, I don't know how to demonstrate it, but it's like smiling but not smiling, you know what I'm saying? That's my tips for you guys if you guys have to go do a passport or driver's license anytime soon. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'm actually so happy with the way my driver's license photo turned out. I'm actually gonna be really sad when I have to retake it, because I don't know if I can live up to that one. I don't know if you can use the same picture, because when I got my picture taken, there was a sign that said that you had to take a new picture, and I really hope that's not the case, but I don't know. That's in 5 years. I don't have to worry about it yet. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I really missed you guys, and thank you guys for supporting me. Hopefully, once I can just balance out my schedule a little better, I'll be back to uploading twice a week. That's what I'm planning on doing anyways. I'll see you guys next time. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, notification bell right next to it, or the other way around, I don't know. Bye!